Before I move on to my next CMYK video, I'm just going to show you how to export this. So this is now in CMYK, we can see this. And so to export this to your project, we're going to go to File and we're going to export as. And so we have some control of the settings. And when you export this as a JPEG from Photoshop to post on your Skillshare project, this will probably be the default. It will have this convert to sRGB checked. And that makes a lot of sense because if you're exporting to a JPEG, you probably are going to be posting it on the internet. So, and that's a screen space. So the default for this dialog box is to have this checked, which makes sense. And so it's really basically putting it back into RGB. So if you exported it with this checked and you put it side by side with your RGB swatch, you really wouldn't see a heck of a lot of difference. Now, if I uncheck it and again watch the color shift. Okay, now I can export it and it's going to be CMYK.